Hey all, hope you all are good. Today I'm going to show how to use the context in Talend that is used to store different values for a variable in different environment. So let's begin. Let's create a sample job. Okay, use I will use a TDB input component that will use to read the table and use the tlog row to print the output. I will I've already set up a connection with this table with this database known as emp1. You can just right click on that and click on create connections. Just fill the values as root, your MySQL database password, server name will be running on localhost, and database name. You can test the connection using this and click on finish. Okay, so what I will do, I will use my SQL, click on apply, set the property type to repository. Okay, it has been already populated all the name. Click on schema. I will use the schema that I have already used here. Okay, table name will become, I have to read from this table combined, so I will use that. Select star from cmbind. Where empid equal to. So we will use the concept of uh, context. So I've created a variable known as empid. Its value will be integer and we'll set a value as 100. Let's take a demo example 1002626. What I will do, it's in the default environment. I will create a one more environment such as production. Okay, we can rename it as development. Okay, now whatever it will do, it will automatically copy the default value to production. I will just change its value and use 10084. So it has a different values and different environment. We can add another row, another column from here. So what I will just connect with it. Okay, I have to use context. CUNT, I just auto complete with control and a space bar. Okay, let's run our job. First in development environment. By default has been selected. Okay, it has printed. Let's prettify its output and run this job again. So in the development environment, it has retrieved the row with value employee ID as 10026, and let's change the environment to production and now run this. It has again retrieved its value from this database. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share my video. Have a nice day.